Imagine waking up in 2030. Your home AI assistant has brewed your coffee, your autonomous vehicle is ready, and your digital twin has already scheduled your day. It's a world run smoothly by AI, a life of convenience, speed, and personalized service. But what if I told you there's a 20% chance none of us will be around to experience it? According to Elon Musk, we're approaching a turning point in human history where AI could either unlock a golden age or spell our doom. Speaking on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast in early 2025, Musk stated, "The probability of a good outcome is like 80%, which also means there's a 1 in 5 chance of annihilation." Pause and think about that. If someone told you there was a 20% chance your house might burn down tomorrow, would you still sleep peacefully tonight? Musk's warning isn't fear-mongering. It's the perspective of someone at the front lines, CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, and now XI. He understands AI not just as code and algorithms, but as a force evolving at a pace that could soon surpass human understanding. So what does this 80-20 prediction really mean? Is humanity gambling with its future? Let's dive into Musk's forecast, what this potential good outcome might look like, and why even a 20% chance of extinction should not be ignored. From the rise of humanoid robots to the terrifying risks of misaligned AI, we'll unpack Musk's urgent message and what it means for all of us. Because the future isn't just coming, it's coming faster than we think. Elon Musk predicts that within the next 1-2 years, AI will surpass any single human's intelligence. And by 2029 or 2030, it could become smarter than all of humanity combined. This isn't just wild speculation, it's based on how quickly AI capabilities are growing. The most powerful models today are doubling in performance roughly every 6 months. Musk believes that by 2030, we won't be able to tell the difference between human intelligence and machine intelligence. The implications are massive. We're not talking about AI that plays chess or answers trivia. We're talking about artificial general intelligence, AGI, a machine that can do everything a human can do, but better, faster, and without fatigue. And right after that comes artificial superintelligence, which could outthink and outmaneuver us in every domain. That leap from AGI to superintelligence could happen in hours or days, not decades. Once that threshold is crossed, we lose our position as the most intelligent beings on Earth. We may no longer be in control. This is why Musk's warning is so urgent. It's not just the power of the technology, it's how fast we're getting there. And once AI reaches a certain level, we may not get a second chance to adjust. In his view, we must prepare now while we still have the time and the intelligence advantage. Because the clock is ticking, and the window to shape AI's direction is rapidly closing. Are we truly prepared for a world where machines are smarter than their creators? Musk's 80% good outcome isn't just about survival, it's about thriving. He envisions a world where AI leads to an era of unprecedented abundance and opportunity. What would that look like? Imagine a society where robots handle mundane and dangerous jobs, freeing humans to pursue creativity and passion. Healthcare is revolutionized, with AI diagnosing illnesses earlier and more accurately than any doctor. Energy systems are optimized, leading to clean, abundant, and sustainable power. Production becomes nearly cost-free, making food, clothing, and shelter affordable for all. In this world, humans wouldn't need to work unless they wanted to. Basic needs could be met automatically. Poverty could become a relic of the past. Musk believes that by 2040, humanoid robots might outnumber humans. But rather than posing a threat, they could become helpful companions, co-workers, and caretakers. Not the cold, clunky machines from old sci-fi, but smooth, intelligent, emotionally responsive beings working alongside us. This optimistic vision fuels the work of Musk's AI company, XAI. He sees AI not just as a tool, but as a partner in solving the world's biggest problems, from climate change to disease to inequality. But even in this ideal future, challenges remain. Who controls the AI? How are the benefits distributed? And how do we ensure these powerful systems remain aligned with human values? Because the line between utopia and dystopia isn't just technological, it's ethical. Let's not forget, Musk said there's a 20% chance AI could lead to human extinction. But it's not necessarily from robot armies or Terminator-style uprisings. The real dangers are more complex and more subtle. Here are just a few of the risks Musk points out. Misaligned goals. An AI that doesn't understand or care about human values could make decisions harmful to us. Self-improvement loops. AI systems that rapidly improve themselves might become uncontrollable. Critical infrastructure failure. If we rely too heavily on AI for power grids, defense, or finance, even small malfunctions could lead to global chaos. Social collapse. If millions lose jobs to automation without support systems, society could unravel faster than we can rebuild it. And the scariest part? Once AI becomes smarter than us, we may not be able to correct it. The transition from AGI to superintelligence could be instant. There might be no off switch, no second chances. One mistake in the code, one poorly defined objective, could have irreversible consequences. Musk isn't saying we should stop AI development, he's saying we need to develop it responsibly. That's why he's always pushed for AI regulation, even if it slows innovation. Because an unregulated AI arms race could be far more dangerous than delayed progress. In Musk's words, this is the most important problem we face. So the 20% isn't just a number, it's a wake-up call. Elon Musk co-founded OpenAI in 2015 with a mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, would benefit all of humanity. But that vision has since diverged. Musk left OpenAI in 2018, citing disagreements over the company's direction and leadership. He later criticized OpenAI for becoming too closed, too profit-driven, and too cozy with Microsoft, one of the biggest tech giants in the world. He argued that OpenAI was no longer open at all. In response, Musk launched his own AI company, XI. The goal? To build an AI that is maximally curious, honest, and aligned with human values. Musk wants XAI to be a counterweight to other major players like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Anthropic, who he believes may not be doing enough to prevent the dangers of unchecked superintelligence. Musk's philosophy at XI is different. Instead of trying to limit AI's power or overly restrict its behavior, he wants to develop an AI that simply seeks truth, and in doing so, learns to act in humanity's best interest. XI is also deeply integrated with Musk's other ventures. The AI will work with Tesla's self-driving cars, X, formerly Twitter, for language training, and possibly SpaceX for robotic systems in space. In a way, Musk is building an AI ecosystem that stretches from Earth to Mars. But critics argue that Musk's control over so many powerful technologies, cars, rockets, satellites, social media, and now AI, could be too much power for one individual. Is XAI the solution to OpenAI's flaws or just another path to dominance? Whatever the truth is, one thing is clear. The race to superintelligence is no longer just technical. It's political, personal, and deeply ideological. If the future of humanity could hinge on AI, what should we be doing right now? Elon Musk has offered several pieces of advice for individuals, governments, and innovators alike. At the core of his message is a warning: don't ignore AI. Here's what Musk believes we should do. Musk says we must treat AI like any other powerful technology: nuclear, biotech, aviation. Early regulations can prevent catastrophic misuse, and he's urged world leaders to create international frameworks for safe AI deployment. He warns against AI systems being controlled by a handful of corporations or governments. When power is centralized, misuse becomes easier and accountability disappears. Open models allow for collaboration, scrutiny, and global benefit. Musk encourages people to understand AI even at a basic level. In a world where machines make decisions, those who understand the technology will have the advantage. He's also a big supporter of learning critical thinking, ethics, and problem-solving, skills that machines may struggle to replicate. Since AI is trained on human behavior, our online activity, our language, and even our jokes shape its development. Musk believes we should create systems that learn from our best, not our worst traits. Ultimately, Musk's biggest advice is simple but urgent. Don't wait. AI is not coming, it's here. And how we respond today will shape the kind of world we live in tomorrow. Passive hope won't save us. Active preparation will. At the end of it all, Elon Musk leaves us with a crossroads, a future of abundance and wonder, or one of chaos and collapse. And the deciding factor? Us. AI will not choose our future, we will. The way we build, guide, and govern it today will determine if it becomes humanity's greatest ally or its final mistake. Musk's message isn't purely optimistic or dystopian. It's realistic. He sees both incredible potential and real danger. It's this duality that makes his perspective so compelling. He isn't selling fear. He's selling awareness. We stand at the edge of the most transformative era in human history. An intelligence more powerful than ours is about to be born. What we do now will shape whether that intelligence saves lives, solves problems, and builds paradise, or whether it views us as irrelevant data in a larger equation. Do we create a world where AI enhances human potential or replaces it? Do we design systems that reflect our best values or magnify our worst impulses? Do we lead the future or let it lead us? Musk doesn't claim to have all the answers, but he's ringing the alarm bell loud and clear. Now it's up to us to listen, to act, and to decide. Will AI be the dawn of a golden age, or the end of ours? Let's know in the comment. Thank you for watching. If you found this valuable, please subscribe and share this video to expand this critical conversation. Until next time, stay curious and vigilant.